Afternoon everyone. Just thought I'd fire Margo up since she hasn't ran for about 6 weeks. Getting ready for the charity banger rally and that in a couple of weeks time with Mr. Joseph and everybody else. So yeah, let's see what we got. I'm alright for oil. Got a bit of fuel. Pulled the choke out. About ready. 2, 3 pumps on the throttle. I'll get outside and let's see what happens. All or nothing. Oh, there we go. Oh no. I shall be filming a bit of a channel update shortly because it's been a while, because I've been awfully busy with working away